West Nile, most of the groundnuts are contaminated during the harvest and storage process. The latest research findings by Kawanda Agricultural Research Institute and Makerere University School of Food Science and Technology reveals that the problem has been compounded further by the processors who mix the quality ground nuts with the dirty and rotten ones.
Nile, actually, communities that consumed poorly stored groundnut grains were actually highly affected by hepatoma. Hepatoma is a cancer of the liver. Yeah. Right now, I think there are some studies, but I'm sure they will be published soon, where they are taking biopsies. You know a biopsy? Yeah? They take a piece of tissue from a malignant tissue. And so those, for them, they were testing whether it's malignant. It's okay. They have found it's cancerous, and the patient is diagnosed with cancer. But
his revelation follows a research conducted in 8 districts of eastern Uganda since 2000, where it was established that most of the groundnuts were dried on the ground and poorly stored. They pick mold and dirt, which attracts a fungi that releases aflatoxin chemicals that are dangerous to human health, especially the liver. Kigundu stressed that the toxins are not visible and their destruction could lead to the burning of foods to ashes. Meanwhile, other health-related problems include underweight among children below 5 years. Suppressed immune system are feared to increase because groundnuts are widely consumed in Uganda as the main source of plant protein, next to beans. Directly looking at G.Nuts butter, it is not easy to see the aflatoxins. Unfortunately, any of the methods used for preparing the G.Nuts, cooking, roasting, can't remove the toxins because they are chemicals. However, with West Nile being the worst hit with the cancer of liver arising from consumption of poorly processed and stored groundnuts, what is government doing to address the situation to bring down the number of people suffering from liver cancer?
What we are doing around there, for example, we know very well that resistance to insect pests, because this fungus enters the crop when it is in the field. And when the insect has created some holes on the crop, the fungus enters faster. So by developing insect-resistant varieties, we can significantly reduce the amount of fungus-infected produce, which would lead to aflatoxin contamination. In another study, we are also trying to develop groundnuts which are resistant to the fungus, and hopefully will have less aflatoxin as a result.
Timothy Sibasi, Television, Kampala.